Welcome to the course. I'm so excited that you finally joined the course. If you have any questions, I'm here for you as always, all the time. Now, keep in mind that your time zone and my time zone might be a little different. So for those of you that have maybe 12 hours difference, remember that when you are probably awake, I'm sleeping. So give me a couple hours when I wake up and I'll answer your questions. Also, keep in mind that I got thousands of students, but I'm always answering questions and helping my students out in any way I can. I wish you many blessings in life, and I know this course is going to help you. And if I can become better, send me a private message, give me your recommendation, and I'm willing to be better every single day for you. All right. Now, lastly, I want to thank you for joining the course, for trusting me with your time, with your funds. I know it's hard for some of you to join the course and pay for your education, but you make the right decision. Every time you learn something new, you are becoming more valuable for people out there, for yourself, and more valuable for the world. The more knowledge you have inside that beautiful brain of yours, the better you're going to become in general. Trust me with this. I want to thank you again. And if you have any issues, you know I'm here for you. See you in the next lectures.